Of course, we have those concerns about demand when it comes to the markets, and a lot to do with what's happening in China, specifically with Evergrande in the property market.
Absolutely. I mean, again, a lot of investors were looking for this preliminary restructuring plan, which the company itself promised to deliver by the end of July. Well, the end of July came and went without a preliminary restructuring plan. Instead, the company, in a filing to the stock market, essentially saying that they've delivered more bullet points, essentially preliminary debt restructuring principles. So it fell far short of what they were promising. Of course, investors want more clarity on debt extensions, asset sales, and really, you know, it just will stoke further worries that any collapse, perhaps, of Evergrande could spark financial contagion. And all you have to do is look at the exposure that the banks have to the property sector. It makes you a little bit worried. No other sector of China's economy has as large of exposure to the property sector than banks. 39 trillion yuan, that's 5.8 trillion US dollars in outstanding mortgages in the Chinese banking system. Another 13 trillion or 1.9 trillion dollars of loans to developers. That's a total of 52 trillion yuan or 7.7 trillion US dollars. And some some analysts, especially like S&P Global Ratings, also Deutsche Bank, S&P says 2.4 trillion yuan. That's 356 billion US dollars or 6.4% of mortgages are at risk. So this is the big concern here. Well, the offshore bondholders who haven't been paid, they're worried about getting paid, but the broader implications are to contagion and financial risk to the bedrock of the Chinese economy. It's the banking system as well as the property sector.